buhay na may pag-ibig. Sa bawat buhay na tao'y merong pag-ibig na nakahimlay. At ang tanging dapat mo lang gawin sa akin sumabay. Halika nang gisingin natin ang tulog mong diwa. Ibaba mo ang armas at sandatang nakakahiwa. Sa pagkakataong ito, hari aking opinyon. Layunin ko'y magkaisa lahat ng relihiyon. Bilyon ng tao sa mundo kung ating tutuusin. Bawat tao ay may buhay na pwede ring tumusin ng Diyos. Ano mang oras ang daman o hindi, madadaig mo ba si Kristo sa kanyang pagtitimpi? Habang basa na krus at ipinakong walang laban. Mahal ka ng Diyos, hindi mo lang to nalalaman. Minsan sa ating buhay merong suliranin at hindi mo matanto kung sasapat ka ba o kukulangin. Basta't mahalaga merong isang pag-ibig, umaasang may gabay na nandyan ang sa ating paligid. Dahil tayo ay buhay na may pag-ibig, yan ang kailangan ko. Kailangan mo at ng buong mundo. Isang buhay na may pag-ibig, yan ang kailangan ko. Kailangan mo at ng buong mundo. Ako'y nabuhay sa mundong hindi inabot ang ama, at inasa ang lahat sa aking nag-iisang ina. Ang mayakap siya't pasalamatan, gusto ko pa sana nang hindi hinahangad sa aking nakala ang pamana. Ngunit ako'y naligaw kay haba na nasungay. Sa tuwing kakausapin niya ko, mata ko'y mapungay. Pinili kong daan, iba sa karaniwang bata. Impernong itinuri, mas matindi pa yata. Ang mapayapa at pangakong paraiso ay di mo makakamtan kung nasa bulsa mo ay piso. Limutin na lang ano man ang maibigan. Kung wala kang pera, walang tapat na kaibigan. Masaklap pa lang, inabot ko katulad pa sa'yo. Store ako't maging sa'yo, hindi naman nagkalayo. Siguro nga pareho lang tayo ng naranasan. Tuloy pa rin ang luha, ilang beses mapunasan. Dahil meron kang buhay na may pag-ibig, yan ang kailangan ko. Kailangan mo at ng buong mundo. Isang buhay na may pag-ibig, yan ang kailangan ko. Kailangan mo at ng buong mundo. Dumalaw sa mga kaibigan para matulungan sila na maibsan ang kalungkutan sa kulungan. Yan ang aking gawain dati kung alam nyo. Sa piling ng mga kasama kong nakabilanggo, sa mga kasama kong nasalaya na may atraso. Lihim na kong mamuhay at pinilang na retaso. At isang pilas ng papel na nilamukos. Kasalanan na nila kung ang galit biglang mabuhos. At bakit ganon? Pag sinabing Muslim ay matapang, pag sinabing taga-kapis makukulam ang babarang. Pag sinabing maray, walang awa kong pumatay. At pag sinabing Pilipino, walipin habang buhay. Ako'y Pilipino, isa rin sa kinakapos. Tanong ko lang, sino ba yung tinatawag nilang Diyos? Siya ba yung nakasama mo sa madilim na eskinita? At tinakay ka sa may liwanag na hindi mo siya nakita. Isang buhay na may pag-ibig, yan ang kailangan ko. Kailangan mo at ng buong mundo. Isang buhay na may pag-ibig, yan ang kailangan ko. Kailangan mo at ng buong mundo. Isang buhay na may pag-ibig, yan ang kailangan ko. Kailangan mo at ng buong mundo. Isang buhay na may pag-ibig, yan ang kailangan ko. Kailangan mo at ng buong mundo.
Halos lahat ay nagtatanong doon sa aming bayan, sa gitnang kanluran na aking pinagmulan. Sila'y nalilito, ba't daw ako nagkaganito? Kung ano ang dahilan, ako lang ang nakakaalam.
Sa aking paligid ako'y hinuhusgahan. Sa bawat kilos ko ay sadyang pinagtatabuyan. Kahit mga kaibigan ay walang pakialam sa kalagayan ko at hilig hindi maintindihan. Wala nakikinig at sarado ang isipan. Nais ko lang naman ay kanilang maunawaan. Tanggapin ako kung sino at mga tinutupad. Handa kong harapin ang pagsubok wala alam.
Magulang ko'y ginawa na ang lahat ng paraan upang mahiwalay sa aking natutunan. Subalit iniwan ko ang ibinigay na karangyaan. Kung ano ang dahilan, ako lang ang nakakaalam. Musika ang buhay na aking tinatadlay. Ito rin ang dahilan kung ba't ako naglalakbay.
Eto ngayon nagsusumikap na kipagsapalaran. Malakas aking loob at walang pinagsisihan. Pagdana sa mga bagay na di kaya ng iba, kinakaya mag-isa, hindi kagaya ng iba. Sana naman ay respetuhin ang aking pagkatao. Lumilikha ng mga awit bilang musikero. Sinusundan ang linya na sa'kin nakalaan. Dahil kahit anong mangyari, hindi nabibitawan. Makamtan aking mga pangarap na walang kaba. Maging magpakumbaba kahit sa simple kong tula. Iangat ang musika na pinangahawakan. Ito ang buhay ko at ang aking dinadaanan.
Musika ang buhay na aking tinatadlay. Ito rin ang dahilan kung ba't ako naglalakbay. Kaya ngayon ako'y narito upang ipaalam na di ako nagkamali sa aking daan. Gantimpala'y di ko hangad na makamtan, kundi ang malamang tama ang aking ginawa. Musika ang buhay na aking tinatadlay. Ito rin ang dahilan kung ba't ako naglalakbay. Musika ang buhay na aking tinatadlay. Ito rin ang dahilan kung ba't ako naglalakbay.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the. Hey, you burn me up, you burn me up, believer, believer. Hey, you burn me down, you burn me up, believer, believer. Let the bullets fly or let them rain. My life, my love, my drive, it came from. Hey, you burn me up, you burn me up, believer, believer. Third things third, send a prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove. Oh, ooh, your spirit up above. Oh, ooh. I was choking in the crowd, building my rain up in the cloud, falling like ashes to the ground, hoping my feelings they would drown, but they never did. Ever lived, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke up and it rained down. It rained down like. Hey, you burn me up, you burn me up, believer, believer. Hey, you burn me down, you burn me up, believer, believer. Hey, let the bullets fly, let them rain. My life, my love. just the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh. But they never did ever live, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke up when it rained down. It rained down like. Hey, you burn me up, believer, believer. Hey, you burn me up, believer, believer. Hey, let the bullets fly, let them rain. My life, my love, my time, it came from. Hey, you burn me up, believer, believer.
Tired of being what you want me to be, feeling so faithless, lost under the surface. Don't know what you're expecting of me, put under the pressure of walking in your shoes. Every step that I take is another mistake to you. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want you to do is be more like me and be less like you. Can't you see that you're smothering me, holding too tightly, afraid to lose control? 'Cause everything that you thought I would be has fallen apart right in front of you. Every step that I take is another mistake to you. And every second I waste is more than I can take. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want you to do is be more like me and be less like you. And I know I may end up failing too, but I know you were just like me, with someone disappointed in you. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want you to do is be more like me and be less like you. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Tired of being what you want me to be. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Tired of being what you want me to be.
It's been a ride. I guess I had to go to that place to get to this one. Now some of you might still be in that place. If you're trying to get out, just follow me. I'll get you there. You can try and read my lyrics off of this paper before I lay 'em, but you won't take the sting out these words before I say 'em. 'Cause ain't no way I'ma let you stop me from causing mayhem. When I say I'ma do something, I do it. I don't give a damn what you think. I'm doing this for me, so fuck the world, feed it beans. It's gassed up, everything's just stopping me. I'ma be what I set out to be, without a doubt, undoubtedly. And all those who look down on me, I'm tearing down your balcony. No ifs, ands, or buts, don't try to ask him why or how can he. From Infinite down to the last relapse album, he's still shitting, whether he's on salary, paid hourly, until he bows out or he shit just bows out of him. Whichever comes first, for better or worse. He's married to the game, like a fuck you for Christmas. His gift is a curse. Forget the earth, he's got the urge to pull his dick from the dirt and fuck the whole universe. I'm not afraid to take a stand, take a stand. Everybody, come take my hand, come take my hand. We'll walk this road together through the storm, whatever I shouldn't have to rhyme these words in the rhythm for you to know it's a rap. You said you was king, you lied through your teeth. For that, fuck your feelings. Instead of getting crowned, you're getting capped. And to the fans, I never let you down again, I'm back. I promise to never go back on that promise. In fact, let's be honest, at last we laughed. CD was aired, perhaps I ran them accents into the ground. Relax, I ain't going back to that now. All I'm trying to say is get back, click, clack, clap. Cause I ain't playing around. It's a game called Circle and I don't know how. I'm way too up to back down. But I think I'm still trying to figure this crap out. Thought I had it mapped out, but I guess I didn't. This fucking black cloud still follows me around, but it's time to exercise these demons. These motherfuckers are doing jumping jacks now. I'm not afraid to take a stand, take a stand. Everybody, everybody, come take my hand, come take my hand. We'll walk this road together through the storm, whatever weather, cold or warm. Just letting you know that you're not alone. Holla if you feel like you've been down the same road. And I just can't keep living this way. So starting today, I'm breaking out of this cage. I'm standing up, I'ma face my demon. I'm manning up, I'ma hold my ground. I've had enough, now I'm so fed up. Time to put my life back together right now. It was my decision to get clean, I did it for me. Admittedly, I probably did it subliminally for you, so I could come back a brand new me. You helped see me through, and don't even realize what you did. Cause believe me, I've been through the ringer, but they can do little to the middle finger. I think I got a tear in my eye, I feel like the king of my world. Haters can make like bees with no stingers and drop dead. No more beef flingers, no more drama from now on. I promise to focus solely on handling my responsibilities as a father. So I solemnly swear to always treat this group like my daughters and raise it. You couldn't lift a single shingle on it. Cause the way I feel, I'm strong enough to go to the club or the corner pub and lift the whole liquor counter up. Cause I'm raising the bar. I shoot for the moon, but I'm too busy gazing at stars. I feel amazing and I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to take a stand, take a stand. Everybody, everybody, come take my hand, come take my hand. We'll walk this road together through the storm, whatever weather, cold or warm. Just letting you know that you're not alone. Holla if you feel like you've been down the same road.
Looney. Yeah. Itong kantang ito'y hindi yung typical single. Di yung tipong pwede mong gawing political jingle. Di yung klaseng awitin na umuuso sa Pinas. Pinag-isipan kong mabutit buong pusong binigkas. Kasi karamihan nakikinig lang sa iNeem. Wala raw pera pero meron pambiling ice cream. Okay lang, salamat sa suporta. Salamat din na sobra sa lahat ng mga kalaban na kumontra. Parang balanse na parang value sa kape. Kulang na lang sa aking album ay platinum na plake. Pero wala akong pake kung bumili ka o hindi. Ang gusto kong malaman kung bumilib ka o hindi. Sa mga katagang talagang nakakamangha. Obra mais ng sobrang ayos ng pagkakagawa. Malakas mambara pero merong sabaw panulak. Ako ay bulalo, puro buto pero may utak. Matapang na nakipaglaban ang hindi lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay nakipagtanan. Mahirap paliwanagan, baka di pa paniwalaan. Kahit tapakan pare wala lang baliwalayan. Kahit hinihila pababa ng mga pasimple kong bumanat. Sabi ko naman sa'yo, libre ang mangarap. Di mo ko kilala, di mo alam ang kaya kong gawin. Kaya nyo ba to dukha pero ganado pa rin. Lahat ng banat malupit kahit hindi sinasaulo. Kalaban ay punit na parang liham sa pangulo. Mabagal mabilis, kayang-kaya wala tundaya. Tagalog o Ingles, walang hiya kahit Bisaya. Paminawa ang sugilanon sa usa ka daot. Parang isang mga Subuanon nga makasapot. Muraragod mga balak nga gipanulti ni Psych. Toros na puta pa doong alapakus kaya mic. Parang bigla nawala, pero di mo na malaya na nandyan na pala. Para mas masamang karma pero mas malala, nagbabalik ng walang babala. Umalis bigla parang bula, na bigla nawala, pero di mo na malaya na nandyan na pala. Parang masamang karma pero mas malala, nagbabalik ng walang babala. Bumalibag sa unang lipad sa murang edad, tangina kamuntikan ko nang mamura si God. Sapagkat bumagsak, desperadong umangat, sumabay sa pinaka-veterano sa lahat. At hindi man tumata, miski paano bumakat sa akla ng mga respetadong alamat. Kung uunahin ang respeto sa pera, kukulangin ang buhangin dun sa Puerto Galera. Kung susukatin sa metro ang letra na parang perpektong kadena, makikisama ang sikreto ng eksperto sa giyera. Pero halatang palaban sa kritiko, talagang malaman ang liriko, para bang sinabihan na naman ng masamang espiritu. Ako si Jose Rizal na nagpa-semical, pasado na sana kaso laging bagsak ang medical. Makatang psychotic, mayaman sa logic, lisensyado at dila ko. Salamat kay Oki. Bigla parang bula, na bigla nawala, pero di mo na malaya na nandyan na pala. Parang masamang karma pero mas malala, nagbabalik ng walang babala. Umalis bigla parang bula, na bigla nawala, pero di mo na malaya na nandyan na pala. Parang masamang karma pero mas malala, nagbabalik ng walang babala.
Get a fast car, I want a ticket to anywhere. Maybe we make a deal, maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better, starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove. You get a fast car, I got a plan to get us out of here. Been working at the convenience store, managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far, just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs and finally see what it means to be living. See, my old man's got a problem. Yeah, with the bottle, that's the way it is. He says his body's too old for working, his body's too young to look like his. My mama went off and left him, she wanted more from life than he could give. I said somebody's got to take care of him, so I quit school and that's what I did. You got a fast car, is it fast enough so we can fly away? You gotta make a decision, leave tonight or live and die this way. So I remember when we were driving in your car, speed so fast I felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us and your arm felt nice wrapped around my shoulder. And I had a feeling that I belonged. Had a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone. You got a fast car, we go cruise and entertain ourselves. Still ain't got a job, now work in the market as a checkout girl. I know things will get better, you'll find work and I'll get promoted. We'll move out of the shelter,
buy a bigger house and live in the suburbs. So I remember when we were driving in your car, speed so fast it felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us, and your arm felt nice wrapped around my shoulder, and I had a feeling that I belonged. I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone. You got a fast car, I got a job that pays all our bills. Instead of drinking late at the bar, see more your friends than you do your kids. I'd always hope for better, thought maybe together you and me find it. I got no plans, I ain't going nowhere. So take your fast car and keep on driving. So I remember when we were driving in your car, speed so fast it felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us, and your arm felt nice wrapped around my shoulder, and I had a feeling that I belonged. I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone. You got a fast car, is it fast enough so you can fly away? You gotta make a decision, leave tonight or live and die this way.
Call it love and devotion. Call it a mom's adoration. Foundation, a special bond of creation. Ah. For all the single moms out there going through frustration, Clean Bandit, China Ball, and Marie thing make them air.
She works the nights by the water. She's gone astray, so far away from her father's daughter. She just wants a life for a baby. All on her own, no one will come. She's got to save him.
Daily struggle.
She tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you.
Stay up there.
She
Stay up
tells
there.
him your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna grow and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got
Stay
to
up there.
do.
Stay up
So
there.
rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby. Don't you cry. Somebody's got you, rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby. Don't you cry. Rock-a-bye. No.
Rockabye, rocka, rocka, rockabye. Rockabye, rocka, rocka, rockabye. Single mom, what you doing out there? Facing the hard life without no fear. Just see and know that you really care, cause any obstacle come, you well prepare. And no, mama, you never shed tear, cause you have to set things year after year. And you give the youth love beyond compare. You find the school fee and